Sometimes you just need more room. Come on in here, guys. So while we're waiting for parts on a lot of stuff we got going on here, we had some great phone calls. Yesterday we went down, we're going to call it the KK Ford Farm. Okay, we went down to Mr. KK's house and did some amazing footage of what all him, and actually it's his father, but I've known KK now for close to 15 years. And it all started over this. Look at that old beast right there. That is an old, I believe it's a Zenith, I'm not sure. 2-barrel carburetor off of Ford. And KK called me about getting this thing rebuilt for his father. He wants to see his father's show truck run again. And a truck that his father showed for years. So we got to go down there and walk around. I posted some videos to a different platform. But here's going to be the explanation of what went on down there. And share with you a lot of pictures of what happened down there. And as it turns out, over him needing that carburetor, we probably found us a nose for that ramp truck to make it a rat rod ramp truck and auction it for the foundation. So stay tuned, guys. A lot of great stuff getting ready to go on. And here's my long video on that. Motorheads, how we doing, gang? So, some of you guys got to see the video of me walking around the Ford acreage yesterday, I guess we should call it. Pretty incredible stuff down there. You know, all 40 acres are not filled with Fords, but there's a lot of Fords there. A lot of clean old Fords, a lot of Ford parts, a lot of miscellaneous stuff there as well. This man's been doing Fords. This man's in his 90s and been doing Fords his entire life. He's got some nice ones there. Actually, we're going to do some horse trading. I got the phone call this morning that we're going to do some horse trading. There's some things there that I wanted. You know, I want the cab for the ramp truck. We were asked to. His son is dying to get this old truck running again for him. He showed this truck in the 60s and 70s. And he drove this truck a lot, and it hasn't run in a couple years. So we took the carburetor off. The only thing that's stopping it from running is this carburetor, and it's locked up. The accelerator pump is locked up in there. I can't get it moving, so it's just gonna have to come all apart. I gotta get numbers, of course, from the TUI parts. We've got a lot of these old rebuild kits. So there's that old 1-barrel right there. Actually, it's a 2-barrel. Okay, it's actually a 2-barrel carburetor. So that's the goal, is get that carburetor built and get back down there, because his son called me today and he's got the body we're looking for in another building that we didn't get to see. And we're going to, you know, got several things that I want and several things I'm willing to work with him on. He needs me to do some work for him, and I want some parts. Barter's the best way in the world. So this is my car video for today. Right now we're waiting for parts. Although parts are starting to come in. I just got a phone call from the shipping company. The Challenger hood and trunk lid will be here Monday. So parts are starting to come in. And the paint should be here today so she can pick the color, the exact purple she wants. So we're gonna go forward with the projects. But you never know when you're going to be shut down waiting for a part. And you guys can jump to a different project. Now me, right now, I'm enjoying sitting in the air conditioning, fixing the store and putting new stuff in the store. Because it's just humid. I've only been out here for 45 minutes and I'm already probably sweating through a shirt. But I wanted to get this apart. I wanted to get it into the parts cleaner so we can get it loosened up. And move forward with this project. The more we line up stuff, come September, when the temperatures start to cool down, the more we're going to be able to get done. I'm that guy that'll work 10, 12 hours a day when he's got the work in front of him and all the parts. That doesn't scare me. What scares me is getting this all done before December, because I have different plans come December, January, and February. So we're gonna turn this channel over to another mechanic who is also partners in the channel, and we're gonna start doing stuff out to his place, the shop. That's all we're gonna call it. So thanks for tuning in, Motorheads. 30,000 new subscribers in 5 days. That's freaking awesome. We're looking to grow this channel. Follow the links, because I'm going to tell you now, at any time the channel can disappear. If you really want to see what's going on, this channel's not stopping. Follow the links. This channel's not stopping. Whether we get interrupted or you quit seeing stuff in one channel, this channel's not stopping. It's going on. So follow the links. We appreciate all the new followers. Every time I put something out talking about certain things, it seems my views drop. So they say it's a subject not many people enjoy, but I'm not buying that one. So again, follow the links. All right. This is CudaBill's video, car video for Friday afternoon. Sunday afternoon will be a parts video about another part being offered. We have some interest in the solenoids we offered. We got the shocks shipped out. It takes me about 3 or 4 days after we get all the orders to go to the bins, pull the shocks, get them out there, and then come Saturday or Sunday, when the video's done running, or it's been 1 week, we'll ship out the solenoids. And then the same thing, every Sunday we offer something. We usually do our shipping Thursdays and Fridays, so we have as many orders as possible, because at this point I don't have a UPS truck back into my door. So there's all the information I can give you today. I got a cute little Ford 2-barrel to rebuild. I believe it's a Zenith, but she's pretty dirty. I can't even see the writing on it right now. I think I'm gonna just drop it in the tank for a little while and see what happens. See what we can clean up on and find some numbers. Heads. All right, guys. So we made it down to this farm, the Delaware, Maryland area. We're not going to talk about where it is. An old friend of mine, Kenny, from work, worked with him for 14 years in the diesel industry. And the deal was, you guys know I'm looking for that body for that ramp truck. We're going to do something really rusty, crusty on that ramp truck, and I think I found it. You'll see later in this video the body I think I found that I want. Also found the crew cab section for my Dodge. He's got a hell of a collection of Ford stuff back there. But anyway, part of the deal was get the carburetor off this and get it rebuilt, because his father drove this in the 70s and the 80s, actually took it to car shows, and she's pretty clean. Carburetor froze up a little bit, old 1-barrel on her, but she's pretty clean, and we're going to get this 1-barrel cleaned up. I'm pretty sure we have one in all the parts. We've seen so many 1-barrel kits. I think it's a Zenith 1-barrel, I'm not sure, but I'm going to click all the rest of the video. You can see us roaming around the woods and looking at all this cool stuff. And we'll be back when I get the carburetor at the shop and soaked in the sonic cleaner for a while. All right, CudaBill out. Damn, you got a lot of tractors out here, Kenny. All Fords. Yeah, international. Yeah. Nothing like rolling through the woods looking at Fords, huh?
Looks like home to me. Mountains do the same problem. Go over the corner. Yeah, I can't find you.
What are you gonna do with all the wood? Split it and sell it?
Or something.
No shit.
That's great.
What's the cab on this one?
I'm not sure. 60s.
That'd be a cool cab.
60s Ford.
Would you ever do anything with it?
I'm not sure.
You gonna get through here? Whoa, whoa. My God, he needs to open a store for 8N parts. I don't think I've ever seen so many 8N parts.
We're using it.
GT, huh? I know somebody needs GT parts. Yep.
Generator off the back of it.
Got a lot of shit to it.
So it looks like it's functional.
Yep.
I mean, everything's still
Could be.
Oh, she's clean as hell.
like any restoration project.
Cute little hood scoop on it. Is that factory? It looks like it's got a factory chrome to it. Think so?
There's one barrel. Like the one,
It does kind of look like it, doesn't it?
but that you're right. That one pin 4 says Chrysler right on it. This is probably a car.
That's probably a Zenith. I just put a Zenith rebuild kit in a store last night.
And you got a lot of butterflies. Yeah. Black ones too. That's good.
Man, she's beautiful. We need to get this thing going. Get it away from the pine shots. Wow, she's clean inside.
He's got a new front grill for it.
Them trailers are in them. Still got the military lights on her. That is the one I remember. Yep. The old Texaco dual boom. The old Texaco dual boom. Wow.
It helps.
A Dasher diesel. Still got all the parts to it, the motor and everything. Probably a 4-cylinder diesel, these were. That would be a cool nose for a ramp truck. Ah, the roof's going on that. You ain't fixing that. That other one's gonna be... Yeah, we're gonna have to talk to your dad about that other one. Not sure how much trouble it's gonna be. Oh, another Ford Ranger. But I think that right there is gonna fit on that ramp truck right nicely. Yeah. Gonna take some stuff to get to it. And another Ford Ranger. Door's still open and closed. Yeah. I think I found the rat rod truck. You can't see it well. I've already been over to it, open doors, close them. You know what? The vines are going to get me. The vines 3 times now have almost got me. Yeah.
Those prickers too.
Prickers I'm used to, but not the vines. I think this is it, Kenny. Doors are solid. Roof is solid. Yep. Love it seeing the old tricycles and stuff. Vic or?
55 Pontiac Star Chief.
Oh, no shit.
4-door.
Yeah, she's buried up.
I got everything.
Did your dad start this or?
I don't think so.
Oh, this got the flathead V8 in it.
Yes, sir. It's a 47 Ford.
No shit.